Hi, and welcome to another night of homework. Okay. Tonight we'll be going over number 13, number 5. All right. We're going over number 20 and number 23. All right, so we'll start with this one, number 13. Okay, so the question asks, how many cups of water does Fabio drink each day? So what you have to be able to recognize is that this question has quarts and it has cups. That lets me know that there's going to be some kind of conversion. Okay, so since it has cups and quarts, I could use my chart. Okay, I could use my chart and try to go from cups to quarts, but I could use gallon man. Gallon man is way easier. So I draw a big G. Okay, and just in case you forget gallon man, it tells you right here 1 gallon is 4 quarts. So I draw 4 Q's. Okay, just in case you forget, it tells you that 1 quart is 2 pints. So in each one of my quarts, I draw 2 pints. Just in case you forget, it says 1 pint is 2 cups. So inside of each pint, I draw 2 cups. So that's how you can use your reference sheet in order to create your gallon man if you ever forget. So now they want to know how many cups are in 2 quarts. So if I look at my quarts, I need 2 quarts. So I count my cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, take a look at number 5. The question wants to know, how is this number written in expanded notation? Okay, so once again, since this is an expanded notation question, I'm going to create a place value chart. Okay, so I have the thousands place, the hundreds place, the tens place, and the ones place. Okay, then I have the tenths, hundreds, the tenths, the hundreds, and the thousandths place. All right, so the check is for 2,000, so I put a 2 in the thousands. 600, so I put a 6 in the hundreds. $9, so there were no tens, so I put a 0 in the tens. $9, that's 9 $1 bills. I have 75 cents, so that's 7 dimes and then 5 pennies. All right, so I got 2,609 and 75 hundreds. So I'm looking for which answer choice that's going to match. All right, take a look at number 20. All right, so the question says that which of Seth's factor pairs contains only composite numbers? So once again, I see the word composite, so therefore I'm going to have to make factor charts for my strategies. So I'm looking for a composite pair. I'm going to try answer choice F. So I take my 6, okay, 6 is even, so that's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I can do 1 times 6 and 2 times 3. Nothing times 4, but I can do 6 times 1. Nothing times 8, nothing times 10. So 6 is composite because it has at least 1, 2, 3, 4 factors. Now let's take a look at 22. 22 is even, so I got 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. I could do 1 times 22 and 2 times 11. So that's all I really need. So what I did down here is I showed you how to skip count to see if the number is composite. So if you count by 6s, you got 6, 12, 18, 24, not equal to 22, cross it out. 8, 16, 24, not equal to 22, cross it out. 10, 20, 30, doesn't get me a 22, cross it out. But it does have 4 factors, so 22 is composite, and 6 is composite. All right, for number 23, question wants to know how many milliliters of orange juice does Kristen drink during the 15 days? So she drinks 5/10 of a liter each day. So that's in the question, giving me a clue I should multiply. So I multiply 15 times 5/10. That gives me 7 5/10. Okay, luckily that's not an answer choice because this is in liters. My answers are in milliliters. So whenever I have metric system, I use King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk. My unit is liters. I have 7 5/10 liters. King Henry tells me to move to the right 1, 2, 3 times. So I'll move my decimal to the right 1, 2, 3 times. I'll add these for placeholders, so that is 7,500 milliliters. Please enjoy the rest of your evening.